Stretched resolution is a technique where games run at a lower resolution, typically using a 4 to 3 aspect ratio like 1280 by 960, then stretched to fill your widescreen monitor. This technique is extremely popular among competitive gamers, especially in first person shooters like Counter-Strike 2, Valorant, and Fortnite, because it makes enemy targets appear wider and potentially easier to hit. Sceptre monitors are increasingly compatible with stretched resolution setups. These budget-friendly gaming displays now offer enhanced GPU driver support and flexible aspect ratio handling, especially in their newer models. To set up stretched resolution, you'll need compatible hardware, an NVIDIA GTX 900 series or newer graphics card, or AMD RX 400 series or newer, along with updated GPU drivers and a digital connection to your Sceptre monitor. The setup process involves 4 core components: creating a custom resolution in your GPU control panel, configuring GPU scaling settings, adjusting your monitor's display settings, and finally setting the resolution in your game. Setting up stretched resolution requires different steps for NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards. We'll start with NVIDIA cards, which use the NVIDIA control panel for configuration. First, open the NVIDIA control panel and navigate to Change Resolution. Click the Customize button to create a custom resolution. For a 4:3 stretched setup, try 4440 by 1080, which provides a good balance of quality and stretch effect. Next, go to Adjust Desktop Size and Position Settings. This is crucial for proper stretched resolution. Set the scaling mode to full screen and ensure scaling is performed on the GPU, not the display. For AMD graphics cards, the process is similar but uses AMD software or Radeon settings. Open the AMD control panel and navigate to Display Settings to access custom resolution options. After configuring your graphics card settings, you may need to adjust your Sceptre monitor's aspect ratio handling. Access the monitor's on-screen display menu and look for aspect ratio or picture settings. Once your GPU and monitor are configured, launch your game and select the custom resolution you created. The stretched effect will make targets appear wider, potentially improving your aim in competitive games. Stretched resolution can improve performance by 10 to 20% due to lower pixel count, but visual quality may decrease by 15 to 25%. If you see black bars, check that GPU scaling is set correctly and not performed by the monitor. Experiment with different resolutions like 1440 by 1080 or 1280 by 960 to find the best balance between performance and visual quality for your specific gaming setup and preferences.